Hey kids, today we will learn parts of the computer. Let's begin. Monitor. This is monitor. Mouse. Kids, this is mouse. Keyboard. This is keyboard. CD. The full form of CD is compact disc. Compact disc. UPS. Full form of UPS is uninterruptible power supply. Uninterruptible power supply. Printer. This is printer. Hard disk. Kids, this is hard disk. RAM. The full form of RAM is random access memory. Random access memory. ROM. The full form of ROM is read only memory. Read only memory. CPU. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. Speaker. These are speakers. Headphone. This is headphone. Joystick. Joystick. Pen drive. This is pen drive. Modem. This is modem. Data cable. Kids, this is data cable. Motherboard. This is motherboard. Multimedia card. This is multimedia card. Scanner. This is scanner. CD DVD drive. This is CD DVD drive.